Hey everyone, Dr. Tom here. Happy New Year. I know the holidays and New Year just busy, so I just wanted to make this video and let you know that we have 4 spots available still for our event on Tuesday, January 23rd from 6 to 7 p.m. So if you missed it, amidst all the craziness of the holidays, we've got 4 spots available. Okay, what we're doing is an advanced workshop here where yours truly is going to be speaking at the clinic, and we're doing this for a couple reasons, okay? What we're going to talk about is not health. We're going to talk about pickleball strategy. I'm just kidding. Just kidding. Maybe another time. But we're doing this because, number one, it's a new year, and our country gets really excited about New Year's resolutions, and more than half of them have failed or given up by the middle of February. And so we're going to talk about, like, how do we do it different than other people, okay? But the second reason, and we're doing this because you guys have been asking, like, will you do something here so that I can invite someone? Because I have a friend or a coworker. I'm here because somebody cared about me, and I've experienced my miracle, or I'm in the middle of it, and there's people that need to be here that I know, either a family member or a friend, and this is an opportunity to get them in the door. And I'm not gonna spew like corrective chiropractic nerdery at them, okay? We're talking about health. We're going to include some of the corrective chiropractic with the nervous system portion of health, but it's a great intro to Align Health and Wellness and to our clinic and what we're all about here. So each of those 4 people, you get to bring 1 guest with you, okay? I don't think you can bring 2 guests, but I think you can each bring 1 guest. And I have to figure out how many people, but you can each bring 1 guest for sure with you, okay? And in this talk, we're going to be talking about the top 5, like the hierarchy. What are the top 5 things that are most important when it comes to our health? Because a lot of people spend time, energy, and money on things that actually don't produce a lot of the results, okay? And no, food is not number 1, okay? Food is number 5. Somebody's really frustrated right now. Food is the 5th most important thing when it comes to our overall health long term and staying well, okay? So we're gonna break that down. Is food important? Yes. But we all know the person that did it perfectly and got an autoimmune disease or had a heart attack early, or the person that ate McDonald's 4 days a week, lived till they were 93 and are still golfing at 93 years old. Like, we're going to talk about that, okay? The other thing we're going to talk about a lot is we're going to talk about headspace. Like, how do we make decisions when it comes to our health? How do we think? Because the way we think influences our health. We're going to talk about the latest and greatest research on anxiety and stress and how our headspace affects our health. This is going to be an awesome talk, great information. You're going to learn things you didn't know. I'm doing the talk, so you know there's going to be some goofy, fun stuff in it, and we've got 4 spots left. I need you, okay? Again, this is Tuesday, January 23rd from 6 to 7 p.m. If you want in on one of those 4 spots, immediately text us back and say, Sydney, I want one of the 4 spots so we can get you signed up, okay? Once we're full, we're probably going to do another one of these in February is what I'm thinking. And if Tuesday, January 23rd doesn't work for you, just text back and say, hey, I'm interested in coming to this. I've got a friend or I've got a family member who would love to come with me, but January doesn't work. Can you keep me on the wait list for February when you guys do this again? That's all I've got. Text us back, get on the list. It's going to be a blast. You're going to be inspired. You're probably going to be brought to tears, and you're going to be super inspired about like being proactive about your health. So that's all I've got for you. Have a great day. Happy New Year, and rock your day.